Guangzhou Chuanbo Information Technology Company Limited, abbreviated as Chuanbo Technology, was officially established in 2015. As a nationally leading innovative technology enterprise specializing in R&D, production, sales, and operational services of intelligent commercial equipment. The company has obtained certifications including ISO 9001 international certifications such as UL, North America, PSE Japan, KC Korea, RoHS, International Environmental Standards, CE CBU, UKCA, RCM, CNES, as well as Chinese quality certifications such as CCC and CQC. We possess extensive experience in integrating cutting-edge technologies and driving product innovation, enabling us to swiftly respond to market demands while maintaining efficient R&D and production delivery. This allows our partners to truly experience the commercial value created by technology. With years of accumulation and expertise in the technology sector, our company specializes in intelligent, niche-oriented commercial automation equipment and integrated services. We have independently developed over 100 types of terminal devices, program software, back-end data management systems, and intelligent equipment for various self-service vending machines. Holding more than 50 technical patents, including design patents and utility model patents, we were recognized as a technology giant, high-tech cultivation enterprise in 2020. By 2023, we earned the title of National High-Tech Enterprise, followed by the 2024 CSF Excellence Award and the 2024 Outstanding Enterprise Award for Annual Excellence.